Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. If there is a specific issue for which you would like to see a video, please leave a comment. In this short video, I will show you step by step how to record audio, most likely your own voice, straight into Davinci Resolve, without the need for an external program and importing an external file into Davinci Resolve. The procedure I'm going to show is the same for Windows and Mac. In this case, I'm going to show this for Windows, but just use macOS to do similar. Make sure the microphone is functional and enabled on the operating system level. Within the microphone properties, check the input volume, and when in doubt, hit the Start Test button. Make sure things are working before moving to the next step. Now open Davinci Resolve. As you can see, in Davinci Resolve we already have a project open with some video in it. At the moment there is no audio, but A1 is the default stereo audio track, and maybe we like to keep it for some background music. Create a new audio track by right-clicking, select Add Track and then Mono. For a voiceover I would stick to mono, because as humans we only have one mouth, so we can't really speak in stereo anyway. Now we have a dedicated track to use for the voiceovers. A way to stay organized is to double-click the name of the audio track, and I will use VO for voiceover. The next step is to open the Fairlight page. Both audio tracks are here now. We are going to use A2 for the voiceover. Under Mixer, find A2 and click No Input and select Input from the list. On the left hand side select your microphone, and on the right hand side make sure that the VO track is selected. Now click Patch and close this window. Everything is ready and you can start the recording. First, disable the audio output so that you don't get echoes, loopback or interference from your speakers. Now click the little R icon to arm the track and hit record. Start speaking into the microphone. When you are done, stop the recording. Disarm the track and enable audio output again and have a listen. When you now return to the edit page, the voiceover is now available for you for further editing. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!